Hey, for that vlog, it's your boy Big Beezy and KC's, you know what I'm saying?
We're gonna do
We about to do this little rewind of what my grandma would do. How her sneeze sound like an alarm.
Okay.
Okay, there's a burglar walking past by, and that's Kevin. That's the dude that walk by. I'm my grandma. That's
Okay.
Kevin. Right? Big Beezy right here. Back up. Okay, he just stole my new 360 with the Connect. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. He stole my Connect.
Y'all like that, y'all? Y'all like it? I know y'all like it.
He stole my mighty Connect.
Don't listen to Kevin.
That's what that nigga stole from me.
She was alone. She's alone.
Watch out, Kevin.
I love you. I love you, Michaela. My turn.
Hello.